Hey guys, welcome back. I forgot to record, so we're like 5 minutes into market open, but it's okay. Um, what I like to see is what is sort of happening right now. I want to see London highs get taken out. We're in a 4 hour and 1 hour bearish for rally gap, so I'm pretty bearish. We're on it on both indexes. Anyway, I want to see London highs get taken out, and I want to see some type of bearish confirmation to downside, so that way we can take out. We have London lows, previous day lows, hourly lows, blah 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 blah, and then on um, yes, we have relative equal lows. I believe where were they? Maybe they were on the Nasdaq. I missed them probably. Yeah, here, relative equal lows. So draws and liquidity are fairly clear. Fairly clear. On ES, we're not really doing much. We're kind of dumping off of open. But, I mean, technically we're in consolidation still. We took out this high, 5 minute high. But that was still during pre-market. So, I'm kind of favoring NASDAQ right now because we're getting a little bit more clear price action on this one. We obviously took out all of these by saw liquidity. We retraced pretty deep into this 4 hour gap, bearish for a fair value gap. And I want to see some rejection out of it. I want to see this fair value gap get made here, which looks like it's what is trying to do that, and I want to see it get inverse. Then I don't know if I don't think I can get SMT from this, at least not on the 5 minute. And then Q. No, we took out this high too, so um, hopefully we don't get a bullish SMT. That would suck. I don't want a bullish SMT. Maybe equal lows again though. That'd be nice. Another draw liquidity. Yeah, I hope we don't make a bullish SMT, bro. That would suck. I don't want that. Oh shoot, my hard hat. There we go. Dude. Alright. Stay above this low, please. Please stay above this low. Yes, push up there, dude. Go up. We have FOMC meeting minutes at 2. So, AM might not be as fast as you want it to be. Might be a little bit slow. Right now it's looking alright on NASDAQ. On ES it's looking not the greatest though. Yeah. But stay up there, bro. 40 seconds. You can stay up there for 40 seconds. This is bullish. Yeah, man. All we can do is wait. That's all we can do is wait. there, bro. Stay above there, dude. We had 3 minutes. Three. 3 minutes. Oh, bro. What is going on? Oh, okay. Alright. Alright. Um, it's okay. Let's see. Let's see. Equals. I'm favoring Nasdaq, to be honest. Bro. Yeah. The lower time frame fair value gaps and a higher time frame fair value gap does pinpoint where price could react off of, which is what is happening here. I will delete these because these are pretty much useless, but we have a 4 hour, and then if you scale it down a little bit, we have a 1 hour, and then we have a 15-minute and a 5-minute, and then price has retraced it to every single one. I'm gonna keep this 4 hour for now, but price has retraced it into every single one. Alright, so we got 5-minute sweep. We need a 5-minute inverse here, and then I need um, some type of retrace. So I need a 5-minute inverse, some type of retrace. So inversion, then I need like a continuation confluence, whatever that would be, like equilibrium, fair value gap. Yeah, that's about it. Maybe a SMT, actually. See what ES is at. Let's see what ES is doing on the higher time frames. I didn't really look at it too much. We're holding this bearish gap, holding the hourly and the 4 hour. Yeah. ES ain't doing really much, man. We're making low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, So now ES is deciding to work a little bit. Is it gonna inverse this? If it inverses that, then that's kind of weird. But we'll see. It's gonna need a close, so we still have like 2.5 minutes left on that. I'm not gonna worry about it now. Let's see. Dude, if we inverse this 4 hour, that's pretty bullish. Very bullish. I don't want to be bullish though. I want to be pretty bearish today. Yeah, I want to be bullish. We got 11 minutes on the hourly candle. If we inverse this hourly, dude, definitely bullish. This looks like we're getting close, to be honest with you. Very, very close. Especially for 11.5 minutes. Anything could happen in 11.5 minutes. If you know what I mean. Alright. Yeah, dude. Let's see, man. Let's see. So ES is going pretty bullish now. Took out some of this liquidity. 5-minute sweep. Looks like we're about to get a 5-minute inverse to the upside. But we're also in chop. Like, look at this. We're in like a roughly 10-point chop, 10-point range of chop. Eight and a half minutes on the 4 hour. direction, buddy. It's like looking bullish and bearish at the same time, which is not good. ES is ranging. Look, bro. Inversion, retrace. If we get a leg up, that's cool, but still, it's not enough for me to enter for anything. That would be interesting, though. Yeah, because if we retrace into this, then we'll be making relative equal high, or that's equal highs. And then if we can break that, that's pretty bullish, but it's all on the 5 minute, so I'm not sure. Man, dude, is this gonna be the third day in a row where I get no trades? I mean, it's not horrible to not trade. It's just like, I mean, it's a government shutdown, so not that that makes price horrible, just that it can whack it up a little bit. I'm not gonna force any trade. I'd rather not trade than force a trade and lose, or force a trade at all. Not trying to do that. Dude, what is going on? What time is it? 8:55. I need a trade within the next like. I want to stop trading at like 10:15 realistically. But we might have to go ahead and extend at the 10:30. 10:30. 10:30 sounds about good, man. 10:30. We have 5 minutes on this candle, 3 minutes on this candle, 3 minutes on this candle. Bro, are we for real inversing all this goofball stuff? What are we gonna do on it? ES is doing nothing, bro. ES is doing nothing. Nothing, bro. It's doing nothing. Yeah, Nasdaq is the only dude who's moving with purpose right now. 2.5 minutes. Are we gonna inverse? Just get it over with. Just inverse it. See if we can take a long off of this. Because my bias will definitely be flipped bullish after this inverse. 100%. We have relative equal highs. We have, dude. I was hoping for sure we'd get a London high manipulation, and then we'd get some bearish conflicts to the downside, being able to take out all this draws on liquidity, possibly retrace into this zone, this 1 hour gap, and then we'll do whatever we want to do after that. But alright, a minute on this inverse, bro. We already know ES isn't gonna do anything. Yeah, ES is staying below, so I'm not too worried about looking at that quite yet, at least for a minute. We're holding up there pretty strong. We're really holding that. We are really holding it. Alright, we inversed. Alright, let's see. Let's get probably a retrace. Some kind. Alright, so maybe for an entry, a long entry, I would like to see if we can get a retrace. We close this bullish, right? Then we get a nice retrace into here, and then some 1 minute confluence upwards, and then out of enter. I'm looking for a lot, but that's what it takes. I'm a pretty picky trader. I don't really take many. Sometimes I do take some like low probability setups, but you know, it's just the way I am. I like having good probability setups, high probability, and I try not to get emotion, or try not to let emotion get to me. Give me a pullback. I need a pullback to enter. I pull back. Give me a nice pullback, bro. Look at this leg, bro. Not seeing the best. Um, I mean, the only thing I can see, okay, ES is finally making some sort of move here. Maybe we take out all-time highs on Nasdaq, stay under the highs on ES, make a huge bearish SMT. Would that be an hourly? Yeah, it would be an hourly, but that'd take too long. Dude, flipping kidding me. What are we doing, bro? What are we doing, brother? What in the world, man? Dude, look at all of this, and this, and all of this. Alright, we're about to, if we inverse this on ES, that's really good for longs. Very bullish. I'm not gonna long it, obviously, but it's good confirmation that we'll go. That have more confidence in my long setups on that Nasdaq. I'm definitely not gonna enter on ES though. Not happening. Hmm. I still want to see some sort of sell off eventually. I don't know if it'll be in my time zone or my trading window. I'm not too sure about that one. Dude, I need some type of pullback, man. I need some type of pullback, dude. New week opening gap. Dude, I don't have anything, bro. Like, we filled a new week opening gap on ES, and we're getting huge displacement to upside. Inverse 4 hour. Is that bullish? Yes. But is our draw liquidity all time highs? Probably. But do I know that? No, I don't. Dude, we have to have some type of pullback soon, dude. I'll only enter off of a pullback. That's it. I don't even care if we go all the way to all-time highs. I'm not entering until I get a low time frame confirmation. Like we get a pullback and then a low time frame confirmation back up. A lot of people are entering just because it's going up. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not doing that. I'm selling now. Why are you selling? Zone. Five minis on a sell. That's a lie, bro. You guys are lying. I'm in the Discord if you guys are wondering what I'm talking about. But he's selling. I don't know why I'm not selling. Fuck that. I ain't doing that. I ain't even gonna buy. I ain't doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing, bro. I can't find a good trade. If I could find a short, that'd be amazing. Because look at all this, bro. You can't tell me, especially this, bro. This whole zone right here, bro. Can't tell me market makers don't like that. Now, the real question is, do they like all-time highs better? Maybe. Maybe. They might like that better. I don't even know what's going on. Shoot. What's this? I got a computer right here too. You guys can't see this. I don't know about this. Look at this low volume. We're going nowhere. We're going absolutely nowhere. Maybe we're getting a pullback though. Maybe we're gonna get this pullback, and then we'll get some bullish confirmation to the upside. Let's take it all the highs. That's what I like. That's what I want. I also wanted shorts today, so I don't think it matters what I want. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens. We got it's 10:20 on the charts. Bro. Bro, look at this, look at this. Shit. Look at it, look at it. Yeah, the response to this guy. He shorted. Whether or not he's gonna. Oh shoot! I thought this was the move, bro. I was about to say, oh my goodness, but bro, bro. Click and pray. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'll pray, but I ain't gonna click and pray. I ain't gonna gamble like that, bro. Dude, go down, go down. I'm sure that other guy will be happy with it going down, but I think it's just a retrace. I don't think it's gonna plummet. We'll see though. I don't know. We'll see. Getting some good bearish candles here. Good bearish momentum. Dude, stop saying sell, bro. Stop. Just a retrace. Look at this. Boom. Let's see. If that gets inversed, then I don't know, maybe we are gonna go bearish. But I mean, here we have this huge gap. This is probably a 15-minute, to be honest. Let's see. Yeah, it is a 15. Oh wait, no, this is the candle. No, but yeah. Bro. 5-minute break. So we get that 5-minute sweep, 5-minute break, 5-minute retrace. I need a 1-minute break of structure. Give you a 1-minute break. 1-minute break, that's all I need. 1-minute break of structure. We get a 1-minute break. I'm gonna enter. Yep. 1-minute break instruction. Let me get a 1-minute break. One-minute break structure to the upside. Actually, I kind of want to market structure shift. Market structure shift. I want some good displacement to take out. Take out this high. I want good displacement. If we don't, it's okay. I'm gonna enter with lower risk anyways. I'm gonna enter with like two micros. 2 micros. That's like sort of confident, but not very, 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 very confident. Only because we have like FOMC at like 2 p.m. So could slow this down a little bit. Inverse. We're getting no bullish gaps, which, I mean, it's fine, but I prefer to get some minute bullish gaps just to kind of confirm some bullish order flow, or to strengthen it at least. We did get a break right here, but I need it higher. Particularly, I want a new higher high created, and I want that broken. We created a lower high. I don't like that. just noticed that my stuff is in here. Bro, it won't let me buy. Buy two. Brother. Where's my order thingy? Might. Where did my order thingy go? Oh my goodness, bro. I'm cooked here. Alright, I might have to just do it on my phone, bro. Alright, let me get on here. Alright, so this is gonna shut.